Autel Robotics EVO Nano Plus Drone, pocket-sized powerhouse for stunning aerials. The Autel Robotics EVO Nano Plus drone redefines portable aerial photography, packing professional-grade features into an ultra-compact, sub-249 grams package. This drone is designed for those who want to capture breathtaking 4K footage and 50MP photos without sacrificing portability or ease of use. Key features: ultra-portable design, weighing less than 249 grams, the EVO Nano Plus is incredibly lightweight and foldable, making it easy to carry in your pocket or backpack. RYYB technology for superior low-light performance. The EVO Nano Plus utilizes the revolutionary RYYB sensor design, increasing light intake by 40% compared to traditional RGB sensors. Combined with a 1st of January 28-inch CMOS sensor and a large f1.9 aperture, it delivers exceptional low-light performance. 50MP camera with 4K video, capture stunningly detailed 50MP photos and crisp 4K video, ensuring your memories are preserved in high quality. 3-way obstacle avoidance. Fly with confidence thanks to the drone's 3-way binocular vision sensors, which detect and avoid obstacles in front, behind, and below. Dual autofocus, PDAF plus CDAF achieve sharp and accurate focus on fast-moving subjects with the drone's advanced dual autofocus system. HDR imaging, capture photos with enhanced dynamic range, revealing details in both highlights and shadows. Sky Portrait Mode, take stunning selfies with the touch of a button, with automatic lens adjustment and background blur. Quick Shots and Movie Master, create cinematic videos with ease using automated flight modes and video templates in the Autel Sky app. 16x Digital Zoom, get closer to your subject without physically moving the drone. 10 km 2.7K 30 FPS video transmission. Enjoy a stable and clear video feed with Autel Skylink transmission system. 3-frequency communication, 2.4, 5.2, 5.8 GHz experience reliable signal transmission with automatic frequency switching to minimize interference. Sonar sound recording, record ambient sounds through your smartphone for immersive video experiences. Long flight time, enjoy extended flight times, allowing you to capture more footage. Wind resistance, the drone can withstand level 5 winds, ensuring stable flight even in challenging conditions. Specifications: weight, 249 grams. Camera, 50MP, the 1st of January, 28-inch CMOS. Video resolution, 4K. Sensor, RYYB color filter array. Aperture, f1.9. Obstacle avoidance, 3-way binocular vision sensors. Transmission distance, 10 km, 2.7K to 30 FPS. Communication, 2.4, 5.2, 5.8 GHz. Zoom, 16x digital zoom. EVO Nano Plus Premium Bundle includes EVO Nano Plus aircraft, with gimbal cover, 3 pairs propellers, 3 flight batteries, remote controller, RC charging cable, 3 RC cables, Lightning, micro USB, USB-C, 8 spare screws, screwdriver, power adapter, manuals, shoulder bag, propeller holder, multi-charger. Overall, the Autel Robotics EVO Nano Plus is a remarkable drone that delivers exceptional image quality, intelligent features, and unparalleled portability. It's the perfect choice for travelers, content creators, and anyone who wants to capture stunning aerials without the bulk and complexity of larger drones.